I'm back in Tulum again. I love Tulum. And today I am doing a cooking class. I think we are making tacos, but I am not 100% sure. It's Mexican food and I'm looking forward to it, especially looking forward to eating.
Got Manny, Chef Manny here, and Carlos. Together we've created this beautiful experience to invite all people from around the world to come and try authentic Mexican food. Everybody loves tacos, and that's what this is about. So we're going to share, the simplicity of tacos.
Guacamole is actually a salad. An avocado salad, that's what it really is.
So I've just learned like you're not supposed to smash the guacamole, the avocado. You just chop it. So you can keep the flavour and it's more like a salad. Other things I've learned is that the mushed avocado stuff is guacamole dip. So it doesn't have tomatoes in, it doesn't have cilantro, but it has everything else. It has some garlic in there and like salt and pepper, and that is avocado dip or guacamole dip, but not guacamole because guacamole is not smashed.
The workshop was really cool. It's actually less of a cooking class, although you do learn about the food and you learn how to prepare it. It's more like a chef's table. So Manny the chef kind of went through, talked to us about all the different ingredients, talked about the history of Mexican food, about the tacos, and then kind of went through and we got to watch him prepare everything, and then obviously we got to eat it, which was my favourite part. And then you take the recipes away with you so you can prepare them at home. I would absolutely recommend this experience. So yeah, definitely come and do a taco experience workshop in Tulum. I'll put the details below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on one of my videos. Bye!